How to log into Metatrader 5 account. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can log into Metatrader 5 account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can log in. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So when you see your page, you should be able to see this page on your screen. So in order to log into your Metatrader 5 account, first of all, you need to download the Metatrader 5 application onto your device. After it is downloaded, you should be able to see this interface on your screen after you have opened the app. And in order to log into your account, you just need to find your broker. For example, this one right here. And here you can easily get into the login page where you can either log in into your existing account or create a new account here. So in order to log in, you may just enter your email address and your password. After that, simply hit on login. And if you have forgotten your password, you may just simply click on forgotten password and enter the code. After that, just re-log in into your account. So therefore, just get to this page and you should be easily able to log in into your Metatrader 5 account. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.